What do you think is the best supplies a welder needs out in the field?
Well, the best supplies that a welder would need out in the field, something that up-and-coming welders or our students will soon find out is that safety and quality, they go hand in hand out in the field. All right. If you don't have quality tools, you're not going to put out quality work. All right. Your eyes, your hands, these are your money makers. These are what you're going to use as a welder. Okay. So one of the things that we have is we just got this new welding hood. Okay. It's a Miller. What I like about it so much is that it has the flip up lens. Okay. So you put this on. All right. Flip it down. You can weld. It's auto darkening, shade 10. And when you're done and you want to do some grinding, you flip it back up. This eliminates having to go back and forth between a welding hood and a face shield. And then it also eliminates new students from welding and then going to grinding and having the hood up above their head and then having something happen. Grinder kicks back, catches them in the chin. You know, that's something that we absolutely don't want. The next one, you know, like I said, protecting your eyes, safety glasses, absolutely important. You will get sent home out in the field. You'll get written up, they keep catching you. You'll even get fired. So you want to make sure that you invest in good safety and safety equipment, and then good tools as well. Gloves at the school, we go with Radner. Heavy duty gloves, protect your hands from getting burnt. And one of the things that I can say is, you know, schools out there, a lot of them will go and they'll give the student a tool list and say, hey, here's your tool list, go get it. A student coming in, you know, most of them have never welded in their lives. So what we do here is we supply them with a toolkit, all right? If I were to give them a list of the tools for them to go buy, they'd probably spend, you know, $300 if not more dollars, and we supply them with a toolkit for $250.